I built a custom volume indicator and I'm going to show you how to set it up and get it up on your chart. And I'm also going to show you how I use it. So I actually have a Google Doc where I go step by step explaining exactly how to set up the indicator, and it literally takes less than 2 minutes. So I was thinking I'd just walk you through exactly how to set it up and we can go through it together. So step one, we want to open up the PineScript tab on the right-hand side of TradingView. You're going to find that it looks like some kind of triangle shape. So right-hand side, when you hover your mouse over it, it's going to say Pine. So that's how you know that you've got it. Let me just start fresh so that my one is going to look like your one. There we go. So when you open up a brand new Pine editor, it should look something like this. All right, step two, let's create a new script. So we just have to click the title and then press create new and then click indicator. Very easy. So click on here, create new indicator. Done. If you've clicked on it and then your screen kind of whites out like this and you can't click and type in it, that's fine. This is just a little glitch. Just close it, reopen it, and you'll be able to see it again like normal. Okay, step three, we just want to copy paste the code. So here's all of the code for the custom volume indicator. There we go. You just want to click and drag all of it and then copy and paste it. And it should look something like this. Yep. All right, step four, we want to save the indicator. So go up to the top, click the title, and then just click save. Save script. And at this point, you can edit the name of the indicator to whatever you want. After you save it, you'll be able to select it again from the My Scripts section in your indicators. This just makes life a little bit more convenient and easy for you. Okay, after we've saved it, then we just have to click Add to Chart. So, done. Cool. And this is how it should look like. Okay. Easy. How fast was that? Okay, now let me explain the functions of the indicator. So let's start with what is the red stuff and what is the blue stuff on the indicator. So there's nothing super fancy about the red and blue stuff on the indicator. These are just two EMAs, exponential moving averages, which are just slapped right on top of the volume. Oh, and by the way, this is showing volume in USD, not in contracts. Okay, so the red just means that whatever the average volume is at the time, it's going down over time. And you can set the parameters for your EMA lengths to whatever you want. So I've put a 60 and a 240. There's nothing magical about these numbers. This is just showing the fast EMA has a 60 look back window and the slow one is just 240, but you can customize it to whatever you want. Yeah, so if it's red, it's decreasing over time. If it's blue, it just means that it's increasing over time. Do these things have predictive power? I wouldn't go as far to say that. It's just, this tool is just a visual aid to make just looking at the volume a little bit easier. That's all it is. So it shows you the slope. Is it increasing or is it decreasing? And the other thing that it shows you is outlier spikes. So an outlier spike, how I've defined it, is if the volume that comes in on a certain bar is 5 times or greater, 5 times more than whatever the average volume is at the time, it's going to show as an outlier. So it's trying to detect what is an abnormally large amount of volume that has just come through. Now, the reason why I like to have these very clear, very easy to spot, but something that I've noticed is that whenever there is a very large spike in the volume, and it's also paired with a very large vertical spike in the price action can sometimes revert all the way back to the very origin of that spike. So right where the spike came from. So that's why I like to have these the outlier spikes in there. But yeah, that pretty much explains the tool. Oh, and in terms of customization, you can customize everything to whatever you want. Like you can set this up to having it like as a dotted line, or you can throw in whatever colors you want. But yeah, I just built something that is convenient for me, and you can go and use it in whatever way you want.